So my name is Liang, and I think the reason why you're here talking to me is because you want to see me cook, which therefore allows us to note that I'm a chef. Well, my career path has progressed from being a singer, TV hosting, radio DJ as well. A slight twist of fate, as it turned out, you came into the wonderful world of culinary arts. And that's where I am today, and I think that I'll be here for quite a fair bit. If you think about the cliched phrase, you know, a jack of all trades is a master of none. I don't really subscribe to that. It was a case of adding feathers to my cap, and every single feather or every single thing that I put my hands to, I wanted to do it to the best of my ability. Sure, being able to do the MCing bit, sure, being able to do the radio thing, the TV thing, still be a singer, and yet adding another feather to the cap.
Dah kau dah? Dah?
Dah, finish.
Finish lah. Semua? Extra? It's okay.